We're here at SIGMA CNC, taking a look at one of their latest models. This is the SDV3219HLA CNC double column machining center. What makes this machine special is that it features roller-type linear guides on 3 axes for very smooth movement, which includes Sigma's new patented technology, which has 3 linear guides across the y-axis. This machine also comes with a 10,000 RPM direct drive spindle and a 2-step ZF gearbox for high torque and high-speed machining capabilities. Also, it has an auto head change system with 1-degree indexing of the machine head. Taking a closer look, we can see that this machine uses a FANUC control system, as well as Sigma's own designed SIMAGE, symbol-based control panel, for very easy operations. If you would like to learn more about SIGMA CNC and their products, please check the link at the end of the video.